once again, 6th chapter binomial theorem belongs to, this chapter belongs to mathematics 2a, part 41. Last part completed, find the coefficient of x power 4, x power 6, x power 8, x power 10 given x function, that is in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus n, or 1 plus x whole power p by q, or 1 minus x whole power minus p by q, any one way. Completed last part. Today discuss once again, find the coefficient of x power something. Here x function are different. First read the problem. This problem belongs to exercise 6b, Roman number 2, question number 4. Find the coefficient of x cube in the x function. What is the x function? X function of 1 plus 3x square all power 3 by 2 all by 3 plus 4x all power 1 by 3. This is the 7 marks question in IPA examination. Which mark? 7 marks unexpected. This is not expected question. That's why do this problem. First of all, what is the x function? Solution, what is the x function? 1 plus 3x square all power 3 by 2 all by 3 plus 4x all power 1 by 3. First of all, in this x function, denominator goes to numerator. What happened? Here denominator is what? 3 plus 4x all power 1 by 3. Here power positive, this denominator goes to numerator, power having negative. Correct or not, students? 100% correct. That's why you can write 1 plus 3x square all power 3 by 2 into 3 plus 4x are similar, all power here plus 1 by 3 is there, you can write power having negative minus 1 by 3. Next, this expression converted to 1 plus x all power p by q form, or 1 minus x all power p by q form, or 1 minus x all power p by q, or 1 minus x all power minus p by q form. First of all, first x function 1 plus x whole power p by q form is there. Second one is not there. Here this is 3 plus 4x, nothing but it is not in the form of 1 plus x whole power p by q. That's why you can convert this x function 1 plus 3x square all power 3 by 2 into, in this 2 term you can common 3 common, 1 plus 4x by 3 all power minus 1 by 3, all power minus 1 by 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 4x by 3, you get 3, 3 get cancel, you get 4x. After that, separated power 1 plus 3x square all power 3 by 2 into 3 power minus 1 by 3. Here 3 power minus 1 by 3 into 1 plus 4x by 3 all power minus 1 by 3. 1 plus 4x by 3 all power minus 1 by 3. After that, you can common here 3 power minus 1 by 3, nothing but 1 plus 3x square all power 3 by 2. Here 3 power 1 minus 1 by 3, nothing but 1 by 3 power 1 by 3 into 1 plus 4x by 3 all power minus 1 by 3. Here 3 power 1 by 3, nothing but cube root of 3. Correct or not? 3 power 1 by 3 cube root. 3 power 1 by 2 square root. 3 power 1 by 4 fourth root. This is already explained in previous classes. Nothing but 1 by cube root of 3 into 1 plus 3x square all power 3 by 2 into 1 plus 4x by 3 all power minus 1 by 3. Here this is in the form of 1 plus x all power p by q. This is in the form of 1 plus x all power minus b by q. First you can write formula 1 plus x all power p by q. What is the formula of 1 plus x all power p by q? 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p minus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus and so on. This is the formula of 1 plus x whole power p by q. Similarly, you can write 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. 1 plus x whole power minus p by q, nothing but 1 minus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus on so on undefined. What is the next term? This one, next term is p into p minus q into p minus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube. What is the next term of this one? P into p plus q into p plus 2q whole by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube. Here before term having negative. Why? Because plus minus you get alternative positive negative, my plus plus all values are positive. This is the two formulas. In these two formulas you can use first of all, what is the first form? X value is what? 3x square, p value is 3, q value is 2. This is the first expression. In this first expression, 1 plus x whole power p by q form, x value is 3x square, p value is 3, q value is 2. Similarly, in this expression, x value is 4x by 3, p value is 1, q value is 3, x function by using these two formulas. First we can write 1 by cube root of 3 into, you can write first formula, first expression 1 plus p by, p value what here? 3 by 1 factorial into x by q, x value what here? X value 3x square by, x value what here? 3x square by q value is 2 plus p into, and 3 into p minus q, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 by 2 factorial into x value is 3x square by q value is 2 whole square plus on so on. Students, see students, you can find x cube coefficient. Here this is the x square term, next term is x power 4th term. That's why enough x function extended in this term. This is the first expression, that is 1 plus 3x square whole power 3 by 2. After that into 1 plus 4x by 3 whole power minus 1 by 3. You can use second formula. 1 minus p value. P value what here? 1 by 1 factorial into x by q. X value what here? X value is 4x by 3 by, what is the value of q? Q value is 3 plus p into, p value what here? P value 1 into p plus q, nothing but 1 plus 3 by 2 factorial into x by q. X value is 4x by 3 whole square minus first term positive, next term negative, next term positive, after that term negative. Next term is p into p plus q. P value 1 into 1 plus 3 into p into p plus q into p plus 2q. P value is 1, 2 into q. Q value is what here? 3. 2 into 3, 6. Nothing but 1 plus 6. All by 3 factorial into 4x by 3 whole cube plus on so on. See students, you can find which term here? Coefficient of x cube. Nothing but here x is there, here x square is there, here x cube is there, x power 4 remaining term you can neglect it. Why? Because that terms cannot be used here. Find the coefficient of x cube term. After that you can write 1 by cube root of 3 into 1 plus 3 3s are 9 by 1 factorial, nothing but 1 into 2 2, 9 by 2 x square plus 3 into 3 minus 2 value 1, 3 into 1 3 square value 9 into 3 27. Here 3 into 1 3, here 3 square value 9 into 3 27 all by 2 factorial, nothing but 2 square, nothing but 4 2s are 8. Here 2 is there, here 4 is there, 4 2s are 8. X square whole square, nothing but x power 4 plus on so on. X power 4 plus on so on. Once again explain students. 3 into 3 minus 2 value 1. 3 into 1 3. Here already 3 square is there, 9 is there, 9 3s are 27 is there. After that 2 factorial, nothing but 2 square value is 4 2s are 8. X power 4 plus on so on into next term 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial value 1, 4x, 4 into 1 4 by 3 3s are 9 into x plus 1 into 1 plus 3 value 4, 4 by 2 factorial. Here 4 is there, here 4 square nothing but 16, 16 into 4 64 by 2 factorial nothing but 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 square value how much? 81, 81 into 2, 81 into 2 into x square. Here 4 is there, here 4 square is there, 4 square value 16, 16 4s are 64. Here 2 factor nothing but 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 square value is how much? 81. Next term is what? Minus of 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 6, 7, 4 into 7, 28. 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 all by 3 factorial nothing but 6, already explained last classes. 3 3s are 9, 9 cube value is 9 into 9 into 9, nothing but 729. You can write 9 into 9 into 9. After that x power 3 plus and so on. Next you can find coefficient of x cube. Therefore coefficient of x cube above x function. First you can write common term 1 by cube root of 3 is common. Here first term is 1. This 1 multiplied with which term you get x cube coefficient? Here 1 multiplied with which term you get x cube? 1 multiplied with x cube you get x cube. Nothing but this 1 multiplied with x cube coefficient. Nothing but minus 28 into 64 by 6 into 9 into 9 into 9. After that next term is what? Here x square plus 9 by 2 is common. Here this x square multiplied with which term you get x cube? Multiplied with x square multiplied with x you get x cube. Nothing but here x square multiplied with x term, nothing but 9 by 2 into here what is the term of x? Minus 4 by 9. Here minus 4 by 9x is the x term, the quotient of x term is minus 4 by 9. After that here x power 4 is there. Which is there? X power 4 is there. Here x power 4 nothing but more than of x cube. After that here x square term multiplied with here 1 multiplied with x cube. Here no x cube term is there. Here x multiplied with x square already multiplied, x multiplied with x square, x square multiplied with x, here no x term is there. X cube multiplied with first single one term, nothing but 1, already completed. This is the coefficient of x cube. This is the coefficient of x cube in the x function of 1 plus 3x square whole power 3 by 2 all by 3 plus 4x whole power 1 by 3. X function, this explanation 1 by cube root of 3. Here you can here cancelling 3 3s are 3 2 3s are 2 14s are. After that next 14 is there. Here 9 table cannot be divided, 9 6 are 54 is there, here not 64 is there. That's why minus 14 into 64 by 9 into 9 into 9, 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 3 into 81 9s are 729 plus into minus 9 and get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are, you get a minus 2 by 1. Here 729 3s are how much? 729 3s are 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 3 7s are 21. You get a 2187. Here 1 by cube root of 3. Here denominator value is 2187. Here 1464 how much? 64 14s are 64 14s are 14 4s are 56, 14 6s are 84, 84 plus 5, 84 plus 5 89, nothing but minus 896 minus 2 by 1. You have to take LCM here. 1 by cube root of 3. LCM is 2187 is the LCM. You can write minus 896 minus 2 into 2187 into 2. 2 4s are 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 2s are 4. You get 4374. 4374. This 4374 minus 4374 minus 896. Nothing but adding these two. 6 plus 4 10. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 7 17. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 3 12. 4 plus 1 5. You get what is the, therefore coefficient of x cube is 1 by cube root of 3 into minus 5270 by 2187. Therefore coefficient of x cube, coefficient of x cube in the expansion of 1 plus 3x square whole power 3 by 2 whole by 3 plus 4x whole power 1 by 3 is minus 5270 by cube root of 3 into 2187. This is the coefficient of x cube in the given expansion.